What's up, guys? Finally, another science video, but today we're going to be testing balanced and unbalanced forces, like what will happen when I drop this leaf and feather. And also, we have this big leaf that we're also going to be testing later in this video, and this eraser that I'm going to be blowing on. So you see that how all the things are at rest? So what if I blow it? It's not at rest. Still not at rest. I'm applying an unbalanced force as I blow it. I now need all my breath for this. Okay. That one did not go as far because it had more friction on it. And I'm a little surprised how I could blow that feather all the way at the other side of the table. If you didn't see the feather fall off, rewind the video. It's pretty funny. Now I'm going to see if I can move this eraser. It barely moved at all. Did you see when I blew it? It moved. It was unbalanced, and now it's at balance again. But now to the parts that we all been waiting for. Let's drop. So what we just did was pretty fun, but now I'm going to try sucking. Did you see how it sucked it up? Now it's the leaf turn. I was pulling, now I'm pushing. I was pushing, now I'm pulling. Now it's the leaf's turn. Let me just try to bring this down. No. I'm trying flipping it over like this and blow like this. And try and see if it will suck up more. It did! I know I can get these leaves to suck. The board keeps falling over. No. Okay. So what I learned is pushing is easier than pulling. Aww. Now let's go drop them. And now we're going to do a balance force. My mom is going to help me blow this eraser. And it shouldn't move. I mean, it probably will a little, but let's get to it. Okay. But did you see? It didn't move. It didn't. Let's see if we can do it with this leaf. It might get unbalanced, but okay, yep, it got unbalanced. That was too light. But how about it's probably gonna be less lighter if we blow this leaf. Did you see how it did move like on it, but it didn't like move? And that's because the forces are balanced. We blew at the same speed. Wait. Turn that video back on. And in case you're wondering, yes, this is my mom's flower leaf. Now the part that we kind of been waiting for. Let's see when gravity balances them. This feather versus this leaf. Let's go. Do what with a little leaf? Okay. Let's test it now. The leaf kind of fell a little faster. We're gonna see what gravity pulls down fastest. So let's start now. Did you see how the leaf won? The feathers swirl like this. This wasted its time. Now let's have the leaf against this big leaf. Of course, that leaf won, but they did surprisingly almost kind of fell at the same time. Thanks for watching our balanced and unbalanced force science experiment. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.